Why are all these people thrashing around on the surface? To find out, join Andrea and David on a brand new old and bold freediving adventure in Bali and beyond. This time diving coming right up.
Gili Meno is an hour and 45 minutes ferry trip from Bali's Padang Bai. It's an island with no traffic congestion. There are 3 ways to get around. Or you walk.
We stayed at the Gili Meno resort. The only one we could afford that was close to where we wanted to dive.
Yes, please.
It was 7:30 in the morning when we set out for our first dive, and the tourist boats were already jockeying for position. So all those thrashing legs up there belong to snorkelers from the tour boats. This eco-friendly underwater installation is called Nest. It was created by British sculptor, marine environmentalist and photographer Jason deCaires Taylor, who also created the Museum of Underwater Art on Australia's Great Barrier Reef. Nest was commissioned by the ecologically conscious Basque resort, just up the road from the pirate Gili Meno. We couldn't afford to stay there, but we did do some DNF training in their pool.
I had a drink or three at their pool bar.
The statue at the resort is the same as the ones underwater, so people who can't snorkel or dive can still get some idea of what they're missing out on.
There's also a drop-off near Nest, and Andrea wanted to see how deep she could comfortably dive without fins. It's 10.2 metres. I'm still looking good.
Trust you.